Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a motion graphic logo. So before starting, I'm going to show you what I have created for our company. So this is what I have created. As you can see. Okay, so we are going to start with this U thing. As you can see here, the how like in liquid formation this U is creating itself. As you can see, this it is very much kind of liquid. So okay, so there yeah, so this is the layer. As you can see, these are just the normal shapes like this one, and sorry, wait, yeah, this one, and I have another shape this one, and I have another shape this one, and I have the gradient in it. And okay, so just come here also. So I'm also using gradient ramp here to animate the gradient inside. As you can see here in the main composition, I have also edited the gradient. As you zoom in, then you can find it yourself. Oh my god, not full, my PC can't handle that. So if you pay close attention, then you can see the gradient changes inside. That is what I'm achieving today, and basically I'm achieving the whole logo. But yeah, so let's come back to the U thing. So how I created this U, I have their logo. There I go. This is in still PNG image, and my task is to make it a motion graphic thing. So first thing that I have done here is I just used the pen tool and create a rough mask. No, not rough, but a good mask on this U, and separated these three different color stripes. And then I try to manage the and then I try to and I just managed to make the color as close as possible. So after that, as you can see, then I have achieved this. And the main thing here is that how I achieved this wavy look here. Okay, so I used shape layers. Like, let's go with this one. This is the shape layer that I have used for that yellow and orange thing. So as you can see, if we just make it if we just going forward in the timeline, this is changing itself randomly. So how is this happening? There is a modifier, we call it as a wave wrap modifier. Yeah, wave here we go, wave wrap modifier. I used it, and as you can see my settings here. So you can go with your own custom settings. These are just my settings that suit better in this. If you have something different that suits better in yours logo, so just go for it. So I use that thing here, and after that I just came here and we go to track matte. And if you don't have this option here, so just click here, toggle switches and modes. You might be here. If you just click here, then you will come to this menu, and then you need to select the layer of which you wanted to track matte, the shape layer that you have here. So if I be more precise with you, yeah, then after that you need to just click here and then select alpha invert and matte, and then this layer will be like, if it moves, then only it will reveal the thing behind its own. I mean, if it, like, let me show you. If it is here, then only it will reveals the background layer, and it will give the nice effect to the layer, as you can see. And it is far better than adding the same color layer. So many people used to do this thing. Like, what they do, they used to play with the background and they add a shape. Like, they are not aware of this simple After Effects tricks. So what they do, they just came here and just choose the fill color to white. Basically, you just go here with the white, and they just play with it. and it also kind of gives the same effect, but if you're going on a different background or if you're going on a black background, then you can see what is happening wrong here. Let me show you. If you add a new solid and let me add a dark green color, then you can see here and how many times you're gonna change this thing. So I have told you the better trick to follow, so this is what I say. So just set it to none because we don't want it anymore. I mean, just go with the color that we are having at that time, and just turn off this layer. We just need to turn it off, and it is all working as it was working before. So this is how I created this U animation, and I have what I have used here is I have used this wave warp effect here to on the shape layer. And how I created this shape layer, the shape layer is just simple pen tool and not like that. The shape layer is just like this, just random edges. That is what I have just created, and after creating that I applied it here and it looks good. If the result is good, and if you're if you're very much precise of it, like if you like it personally, then it's good, and if your client is liking too, then it's awesome. So as you can see, we have achieved what we want here. And now the main thing is there will be so many cases when you don't have the correct font on which the logo is created. Like in my case, I don't have this font with me, so what I done here is to make this effect. What I have done here is I just duplicate this layer, their company logos layer, and I just photoshopped it. I just removed this part and then this part, and I just what I have done here is this one. So I have created a rough mask on every single letter, and then I just choose stroke, just hit Control Shift, then you'll get this VC console. You can download it from vdcopilot.net. It is totally free, and then you just need to type stroke and just go with here. And there are many people who face this problem that I was also facing before. When you click okay, so after creating this multiple mask here, you are unable to show the effect on all the masks. So you just need to check this all mask, and then every single thing will be selected. As I say, you select it, every single thing will be selected. And if you deselect it, then the first letter from this will be selecting only. So you just need you always need to remember that you need to click on all masks, then you have all mask data with you. So this is their company's first name, that you are mad, and then the company's second name is Solutions. There we go. Here we have this. So I again created a rough mask and then add a stroke effect, then check this all mask. When you just add let me show you. If you add a stroke here, you can see that the all mask is not selected. You need to select this all mask if you want to use it. So, and then you need to click on reveal the original image. It will be on original image. Then you need to click it on original image. Then you need to play with the start and end keyframe. You need to add a keyframe. This is not a beginner friendly tutorial, as I've said, because you need to know some things about the After Effects before starting this thing, because this is not pro, but this is also not for beginners, completely beginners. So this is all I have done here. And the final thing here, as you can see, that I have added this solution to your mad ideas. So this is just a simple text layer on which I have added typewriter effect to, let me show you. I believe, it is here. I go comp 1. I don't know, I think I have added that effect. Yeah, oh, okay, it won't be showing here. Then you need to hit U, and it got the range selector here. Then this will be like this. And if you want to get the typewriter effect, just hit Control Shift for the VC Console users. And if you don't have VC Console, just I don't know how to unlock it. Okay, so you just need to go here, Effect and Presets, and then just typewriter and just drag and drop it on your text, and it will automatically be added. And then you need to click on the layer and hit U. U will show you the current keyframes, all the current keyframes of your layer. So this is how I created this motion graphic layer. And if you have any questions regarding anything, then feel free to ask, put your question down in the comment, and I will be answering your question as soon as I'll be back online. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, then consider subscribing the channel. I hope you like this video.